What's up, stars? Today we're going to be showing you like our new fidgets. Just a second, opening the blinds. So hopefully that's better for you guys. Okay. My hair is quite messy because I woke up about an hour or two ago. So so we got last night. My mum got these for us. So this one's mine. It's a puppet bracelet. And yeah, so this is the good side. And this is Grace's, so my sister's. And this is good side. And this is my other sister's, Ivy. So this is good side. And then sliding. So yeah. So you put them on, so it comes with like a plasticky thing there, but then you just have to rip it off. And then you can like, it's harder if you put it on and then put it together, but I just do this. I just poke that through there, and then you can put it on your wrist. Doesn't matter which one. And if it's too loose, you just pull this and tighten it. So yeah. So yeah. And then next, so you guys know in the other videos where we've been saying how accidentally broke Grace's thing. Well, my mum got her a new one. It's orange though. It looks like orangey red on the camera, but it's like very orange. So yeah, this one's actually more stretchy than the other one because it's like more, the other one was a bit like transparent, but this one like fully opaque and it's like squishy. It's more squishy and it feels just better. But guys, look at the cute little face. There's little pokey bits. I forgot what they're called. So yeah, really cute. But it still has this like stupid thing on it. It's so annoying. It gets in the way. So we just have to cut that off. And yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Hope you liked it, because it was a really short video. I was just showing you some new things. So yeah, bye.